Welcome back. 20 years ago today, Google's landmark public debut, going from, just a measly $23 billion search engine to a $2 trillion cloud, chip, and AI mega cap. Our Deidre Bosa had a rare interview with one of the lead investment bankers behind the listing, a true legend in Silicon Valley who never speaks to the media for today's tech chat. Can't wait to hear what he said.
You get it, Leslie. That's right. He very, very rarely speaks to the media, and it was so fun to go back along memory lane. That was Morgan Stanley's Michael Grimes. He's also known as Wall Street's Silicon Valley Whisperer. He has been behind some of the biggest tech IPOs over the last 2 decades, including Google's, which he called momentous. And we're going to show you some footage from that day 20 years ago. Here he is at that opening bell at the NASDAQ. He's in the back row in the middle. And in front of him, co-founder Sergey Brin, Larry Page, and CEO Eric Schmidt. He tells me that the IPO was the start of the next era, that Google and the other mega caps that followed, that really changed the way we work, live, and play in bigger ways than they could have imagined at the time. He also reflected on the unorthodox way that Google actually went public. That was through a Dutch auction that allows a broader range of investors to participate, like retail investors and employees, versus the traditional institutional buyers in a typical IPO. Grimes called it a fundamental breakthrough that laid the groundwork for Spotify's direct listing and the host, driver, customer IPO participation programs that we would see much later from Airbnb, Uber, and Robinhood. Now, as for Google itself, since the IPO, you're looking at this chart that goes one way up and to the right, few dips along the way. If you invested on IPO day, you would have seen a return of more than 7,600%. It's grown through remarkable acquisitions like YouTube in 2006 for just $2 billion at the time. That was led by the late Susan Wojcicki. Organic growth, too, though. Take a look at the Google flywheel, which has everything from Workspace to Maps to Android to Chrome, Gemini, its Gen AI assistant, really meant to supercharge this flywheel. Today, this is a technology company so vast, so dominant, that the Department of Justice may be looking to split it up. How Google confronts those regulatory challenges, that could set the tone for the next 2 decades, especially as generative AI takes off. How Google continues to incorporate that technology across all of these business units, a crucial piece of its future. So far, guys, it's pretty much been there or ahead on this front, but this is a race that, as you guys well know, is moving very, very quickly, really providing a challenge, the biggest challenge to search that we've seen since that IPO 20 years ago.
Yeah, it's truly quite the legacy, Deidre. And I'm glad you brought up just the uniqueness by which they did conduct their IPO, the Dutch auction at the time, which was seen as very revolutionary. And I believe it took, at least a decade, maybe a little bit more than a decade, before anyone was really willing on a large scale to try anything new again, whether it be a direct listing or a direct share program to employees and customers and so forth. How did Grimes kind of discuss that legacy of just trying something new and taking a risk as it pertains to going public?
I mean, Grimes was really proud of that legacy, right? Because it really democratized the process of the IPO. It didn't rely on just institutional investors, but open it up wider. As you said, Leslie, it took some time for those principles to sort of come through. You would have Meta and LinkedIn and Twitter, now known as X, just go the traditional route. So more than a decade until other companies sort of adopted those principles. But Grimes is very proud of that legacy because it democratized the process. And, he said at the time that it was the founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, that came up with that idea, and Morgan Stanley was willing to test it and go through with it. So, by all means, a success, especially when you look at that stock up 7,600% since that IPO day 20 years ago.
Despite all the hand-wringing over the years about lack of fiscal discipline, moonshot costs, now the threat to search from AI, it is an incredible story.
Always
I can't
exciting.
Believe Dee, thanks. Great stuff. Deidre Bosa.